Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am back with another video. It is a very useful and informative video for all the beginners to learn. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel for more tech related informative topics. Now let's get into the video. The topic of my today's video is 3D printing. First and foremost, the question we have is, what is 3D printing? So the answer is making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file, created by laying down successive layers of material unit. The entire object is created. How does 3D printing work? Starts with making a virtual design of the object you want to create. Use CAD file using a 3D modeling program. Use of a 3D scanner. 3D scanner makes a 3D digital copy of an object. Microsoft and Google enabled their hardware to perform 3D scanning. A great example is Microsoft's Kinetic using Kinetic Fusion. A clear sign that future handheld devices like smartphones will have integrated 3D scanners. "3D modeling software slices the final model into hundreds or thousands of horizontal layers. When the sliced file is uploaded in a 3D printer, the object can be created layer by layer. The 3D printer reads every slice and creates the object, blending each layer with hardly any visible sign of the layers, with as a result the three-dimensional object. Processes and technologies. Not all 3D printers use the same technology. Wet photopolymerizer, material jetting, binder jetting, material extrusion, powder bed fusion, sheet lamination, directed energy deposition. Most common technologies are selective laser sintering or SLS, fused deposition modeling or FDM, selective laser sintering SLS. The ability of SLS to produce several pieces at one time. Good choice for direct digital manufacturing DDM of products requiring strength and heat resistance. Selective laser sintering, as you can see the graph, in the upper we have powder layering, in the middle we have laser stringing, and in the bottom we have powder layering. So this is a graph of SLS. Fused deposition modeling FDM. plastic, filament or metal wire. This is a graph of fused deposition modeling. Examples and applications. So guys, that's it. That's the end of my today's video. I'll be back with the part 2 of this video in the next day. Until then, please like, subscribe and share to my channel for more tech related informative topics for all the beginners. I'll be back with the examples and application of 3D printing in the next video. Thank you for watching.